Hey, what's up guys? Whousewe reached out to me and sent me these solar fence lights for free to do an honest review. They didn't pay me for this review. So I'm gonna unbox this thing, I'm gonna install it, and we're gonna see what it looks like at night. So these are completely wireless. It is completely solar powered. So you get a little manual and stuff, solar wall lights, user manual and stuff, 100% solar powered, obviously, and happy, not happy kind of thing. So you get some screws and stuff for the installation. Because they're solar powered, you kind of want to put them in a brighter area so they could get, pretty much charged during the day, so they could get enough power to go on through the night. So they're advertised to charge within 5 to 6 hours of the day, and they're supposed to illuminate anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. So it's kind of like a nice package because of the lighting. So you get the solar panel on the top, and because of the lighting, it looks like there's 4 independent LEDs in there. I don't know if the camera could see that, but there's 4. It's those yellow things basically. There's 4 of them, and think of it like a strong night light. This is not going to illuminate your backyard. It's more of so you can actually see it just lights up the pathway in a sense, and when I turn these on and stuff, you guys will know what I'm talking about. And they illuminate 2 different ways. So I guess there's 2 screws. You screw on the wall and then you kind of hang these on the wall. So there's 2 options. There's it stays on, and then there's it illuminates. It's kind of like it's kind of like a breathing kind of look, and apparently the breathing one lasts a little bit longer, but I'll probably just keep it on all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it on. Let's see if it actually turns off during the day. Let's see if it recognizes that it's the day. But the cool thing is that the way these shapes are done, it gives this cool look on the side and stuff, and it looks very modern. Yeah, so it turned off. I think it recognizes that it's the day, and so I think it will automatically turn on at night. So I will set these up, install it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But let's just see what else is in there. So it comes in a 6-pack. So obviously all the same. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and that's pretty much it in the box. Time for the install. So I've marked the spots where I want to install these and stuff, and these are IP65 waterproof, so you can install them outside. I mean, they're safe for rain and stuff from what it said in the description. So I'm going to push this button once, so it goes on the steady mode. That's the one that I want. I don't want the illuminating. If you want the illuminating, then hit it twice and it'll go on the illuminating mode. And all you need to do is basically drill 2 holes. They gave you a guide right here, which perfectly fits with this. And so once you've marked your spot, put this in, mark your spots, drill 2 holes, put the anchors, put the screws in, and then attach this. I'll show you guys the process. Make sure the light is on the mode that you want, and then slide it in. And now we will level it once more. And here are the final results. So this is what they look like during the day. So they're all pretty much turned off. This is about the time that they turn on. So the sun is setting, but there's still a little bit of light outside. But this is what they look like. I think overall it looks really nice. It's a nice modern look, very elegant. And they don't provide a whole bunch of light, but it's pretty much lights up enough that you could see the pathway, so it's not completely dark or anything like that. And this is the only source of light that there is on this side. So I think overall they provide enough light for the pathway, and the shape of the light looks pretty cool with the lines and stuff coming from the outside. So here's a zoom in shot of what they look like, directly looking at it. So I would say overall I'm pleased with the results. I think the battery lasts a good amount of time. I mean, I've only had it for a short period of time, but overall, I think it looks good. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.